Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. I am Hazim Omar. Today I would like to present to all of you for my assignment on manufacturing process subject entitled Polyvinyl Chloride (PVC). Okay, next, let's go to the introduction. Polyvinyl chloride, alternately polyvinyl chloride, colloquial polyvinyl or simply vinyl shortened PVC, is the world's third most extensively produced synthetic polymer of plastic after polyethylene and polypropylene. German inventor Friedrich Klett received the first patent the years in 1913 for the polymerization process used to create PVC, which has been used commercially since 1933. It now makes up around 20% of all the plastic manufactured globally, coming second only to polyethylene. PVC comes into introductory from rigid occasionally shortened as RPVC and flexible. The rigid form of PVC is used in construction of for pipe and in a profile operation similar as doors and a window. It's also used in making a plastic bottle, non-food packaging, food covering waste, and a plastic card similar as a bag or glass card. So the PVC, about 40 million tons of PVC produced each time. Okay, next. For the production, oil and salt are resulting to the essential raw materials for PVC. It is a combination by ethylene occurred from oil to form vinyl chloride monomer VCM. So this is a 5-step PVC production process. Extraction of hydrocarbon and salt processes, production of ethylene and chlorine on or after these resources combines chlorine and ethylene to produce the vinyl chloride monomer VCM, polymerized VCM to produce polyvinyl chloride PVC, blend PVC polymer with additional material to produce a variety of with a wide range of physical properties. So the production process we can see at the slide. Okay, there's a more process lah for the PVC. So the raw material PVC they take less non-renewable fossil fuel to make than any other commodity plastic, because unlike other thermoplastic which are entirely derived from oil, PVC is manufactured from two starting materials. 57% of the molecular weight derived from common salt, 43% derived from hydrocarbon stocks, which leads PVC is the most frequently made from salt and oil. In some regions of the world, PVC is made without using oil feedstock, at all substituting oil-derived hydrocarbon with bio-derived hydrocarbon feedstocks. PVC is therefore far less oil-dependent than other thermoplastics. It is also high durable and energy efficiency across a range of applications, which make for an extremely effective use of raw material. So there are over 50 quadrillion tons of salt dissolved in the sea with over 200 billion tons of salt available underground. Reserves of this material are clearly abundant. Next, we can see the advantage and disadvantage of PVC. So we can go to advantage. First, good for electrical work, ideal task for cabling applications. Second, excellent of impact, of strength, resistance, and properties of a weatherproof for construction products. Next, informal to process, permanent, hard, and sprightly. Low resistance of fluid designed for wall of the PVC that is a very even and small resistant to fluid. Good corrosion resistant and chemical resistant. Excellent water tightness to metal. It is connected by rubbing ring or bonding. Test of all performance, cure time, shrink, pot life, peeling strength, storage period, tensile performance, release or harmful substance. So the PVC disadvantage, we can see that the pure heat stability, easily to brittle when there is an impact, cause media pollution, and shorten the de-aging period of UPVC when there is a low quality of plastic in the UPVC added in the production. So we now have 5 application of PVC. We can see that the 5 application, we go to construction, healthcare, electronics, automotive, and sport. So first we go to construction. PVC has been used considerably in a wide range of construction products for over half a century. PVC strong, feather-like, durable, and protein characteristics make it ideal for window biographics. PVC essential honey retardant and excellent electrical sequestration process make it ideal for cabling operation. Typically, example of PVC collection products include to the door and window shape, glass house and hall, pipe and fitting, power data and telecoms wiring and cables, cable and servicing ducting, internal and external cladding, ceiling and roofing membranes. So second, PVC use at the healthcare application. Healthcare. PVC has been used for hundreds of life-saving and healthcare products for almost 50 years, being used in the surgery, pharmacy drug, delivery, and medical packaging due to its unrivaled performance characteristics and cost efficiency. So we can see that the application at healthcare. First, artificial skin in alternative burn usage, plasma or blood transfusion set, blood put to optical kidneys, tube and cannula, blood hand baggage, endotracheal tube, expandable strap, surgical and inspection glove, bottle of waterproof, wall and floor cover. So for the electronic, PVC was the first used string sequestration as a relief for rubber during for the Second War, and it continues to be used extensively to this day due to its inflexibility easy of handling in installation, and essentially in deceleration. The line do not harden and crack over time, and find use in numerous operations from telecommunication to electric groups. So for the automotive, because that the PVC brings both high performance qualities and important cost benefits to the automotive industry lah. Okay, we can see that the application to automotive is about tool panel and related molding, interior door panel and pocket, sun visor, covering seat, mud flap, underbody coating, auto harness wiring. And PVC use to the sport. And PVC highly versatile construction material with a favorable environmental footprint. It is extensively used in the construction of sporting venues. This includes use in seating, roofing, flooring, as well as piping and electrical wiring. Some example of a sporting venue using PVC for their roofing membranes shown. Performance sport surface, sport equipment, protective barrier wiring, and piping structure and closing. So we go to the PVC and sustainability lah. So I have a three part: social, economic, and environmental. PVC conservation is by no means limited to its products. The PVC industry is also setting a unique example in the process of working together as a supply chain in driving forward sustainable development. So we go to social. In the general, PVC products are easy to install and have a favor accident. However, cable, pipe, and roofing products are typically made from PVC and are much more than just window and pipes. The company offer rewarding long-term employment opportunities, including training opportunities with a safe working environment, and those products contribute to a better quality of life through energy efficiency windows and safe transportation of drinking water. So for the economics, PVC has a pre-war origin and is used by millions of people around the world throughout its supply chain. Distribution between large and multinational and SME that contribute significantly to the growth of the global economy. So the environment we can see consists with reduction human effect on ecosystem. We must protect scarce resource, and we should minimize human land use in order to care for biodiversity by prioritizing essential use of food crops. So we know that everything things have give an impact for environmental impact lah. So environmental effect ni the environmental effects of any given substance cannot be evaluated in isolation because using alternative will have cost both environmentally and financial. Although material that compete with PVC are frequently marked as being more natural does not necessarily imply better or more sustainable. Some competing materials assert that they are more environmentally and sustainably friendly than PVC, but it is typically based on the misconception about PVC environmental effects or unfairly prejudicial view to the competing materials. Recycling of a PVC arrangement and composition make it is a very easy to mechanical recycle to produce high quality recycled material. As with any recycling stream, segregation is a key to achieve to the best possible recycling of PVC material. To enable a significant portion of PVC to be recycled into a new generation of cutting-edge products that are good, energy efficient, and sustainable. The PVC industry has made significant investments around the globe to build sophisticated recycling systems. And number three, when the old windows are being recycled, the produce were getting more difficult than recycling of cars because of impurity from construction was such concrete and sealants. Here we can see this production of PVC pipe in Malaysia from 2013 to 2022. So many production each time. So the conclusion for my topic is that in Malaysia, polyvinyl chloride has been used as a pipe fitting that offer numerous benefits to the plumbing system in Malaysia. The fitting is durable, less cost, and easy to install and maintain. It's widely used in a residential, commercial, and industrial plumbing system for supply and drain. So the nature provides a scarce source for the plastics characteristic of materials demanded by the world today. This product synthesis called polyvinyl chloride was uh, where along with other main plastic in the 1800s and led the way to the computer, cell phone, non-degrading water pipe, and even a modern equipment was currently wide used by civilization. That's all for my topic to present today, and very thank you.